The Greatest Badminton Legends, Part 1. Badminton has produced legendary players whose skills, passion, and achievements have defined the sport across generations. From Olympic champions to world number ones, these icons have left an unforgettable mark on courts worldwide. Their stories reflect excellence, resilience, and the spirit of competition. This tribute celebrates 42 of the greatest badminton legends of all time. 1. Zhang Ning, 1975. Zhang Ning is a Chinese badminton legend and two-time Olympic gold medalist in women's singles, 2004, 2008. Known for her powerful and consistent play, she was dominant in the early 2000s. After retiring, she became a respected coach. 2. Yang Yang, 1963. A trailblazer for Chinese badminton, Yang Yang was the first man to win consecutive world championships, 1987, 1989. He also secured Olympic gold when badminton debuted as a demonstration sport in 1988. Yang set the standard for excellence in men's singles. 3. Alan Budi Kusuma, 1968. Alan Budi Kusuma, an Indonesian star, clinched Olympic gold in 1992 in men's singles. Known for his tactical gameplay, he was a key figure during Indonesia's golden badminton era. He is married to fellow Olympic champion Susi Susanti. 4. Tony Gunawan, 1975. Tony Gunawan is an Olympic gold medalist and world champion in men's doubles, representing both Indonesia and later the USA. He is revered for his intelligent play, incredible reflexes, and longevity in the sport. His success across nations is rare in badminton. 5. Bang Soo-hyun, 1972. South Korea's Bang Soo-hyun won gold in women's singles at the 1996 Olympics. Her all-around game and mental toughness made her a formidable opponent in the 90s. She remains one of Korea's greatest female players. 6. Carolina Marin, 1993. Spain's Carolina Marin made history as the first non-Asian woman to win Olympic gold, 2016, in badminton. A three-time world champion, her speed, aggression, and resilience define her play. She revolutionized European women's badminton. 7. Taufik Hidayat, 1981. Indonesia's Taufik Hidayat is known for his effortless technique and lethal backhand. He won Olympic gold in 2004 and was world champion in 2005. Taufik is considered one of the most naturally gifted shuttlers in history. 8. Tai Tzu-ying, 1994. Tai Tzu-ying from Taiwan is celebrated for her deceptive shots and fluid style. A longtime world number one, she has won multiple Super Series titles. Her artistry on court has made her a fan favorite. 9. Chen Long, 1989. China's Chen Long is a former Olympic, 2016, and world champion, 2014, 2015, in men's singles. Known for his defensive prowess and endurance, he followed in the footsteps of greats like Lin Dan. He maintained world number one ranking for a significant period. 10. Chong Yu Leong, 1929 to 2011. Also known as Eddie Chong, he was a pioneer for Malaysian badminton in the 1950s. He won 4 All-England titles in men's singles. His attacking style laid the foundation for Malaysia's badminton success. 11. Saina Nehwal, 1990. India's Saina Nehwal won bronze at the 2012 Olympics and was the first Indian woman to reach world No. 1. Her breakthroughs put Indian badminton on the global map. She inspired a new generation of Indian shuttlers. 12. Rudy Hartono, 1949. Rudy Hartono is an Indonesian icon who won the All-England men's singles title 8 times, a record. He dominated the 1970s with his flair and stamina. Hartono is often hailed as the greatest of his era. 13. Datuk Lee Chong Wei, 1982. Malaysia's Lee Chong Wei is a three-time Olympic silver medalist and long-time world No. 1. Known for his speed, agility, and consistency, he is one of the most admired players despite never winning a world title. His rivalry with Lin Dan is legendary. 14. Erland Koeps, 1937 to 2017. Danish legend Erland Koeps was a dominant force in the 1950s and 60s, winning 7 All-England singles titles. He played a crucial role in European badminton's development. Koeps was a national sports icon in Denmark. 15. Ratchanok Intanon, 1995. Thailand's Ratchanok Intanon became the youngest world champion in women's singles at age 18 in 2013. She is known for her graceful movements and shot making. A consistent top 10 player, she remains Thailand's badminton star. 16. P.V. Sindhu, 1995. India's P.V. Sindhu won silver at the 2016 and bronze at the 2020 Olympics. She became world champion in 2019. Sindhu's power, reach, and discipline have made her one of the top global stars. 17. Gao Ling, 1979. China's Gao Ling is one of the most decorated doubles players, with Olympic gold, 2000, multiple world championships, and countless Super Series titles. Her anticipation and net play were exceptional. She excelled in both women's and mixed doubles. 18. Gillian Gilkes, 1950. English player Gillian Gilkes was a versatile champion, winning all England titles across singles, doubles, and mixed. She brought elegance and tactical brilliance to the court. Gilkes helped maintain Europe's presence in badminton during the 1970s. 19. Pullela Gopichand, 1973. Gopichand won the All England title in 2001, becoming only the second Indian to do so. A strategic and disciplined player, his coaching legacy is even greater. He trained stars like Saina Nehwal and P.V. Sindhu. 20. Prakash Padukone, 1955. Prakash Padukone was the first Indian to win the All England Championship, 1980. His cool demeanor and elegant style earned global respect. He laid the foundation for India's rise in world badminton. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. G. Sobhanadri Rao.